Looking for the best food steamer to make healthy, delicious meals at home? In this video, we'll explore top food steamers that cook faster, preserve nutrients, and make meal prep effortless. Whether you love veggies, dumplings, or fish, the right steamer can transform your cooking. Stay tuned as we reveal the best options to upgrade your kitchen today. There are many best food steamers to choose from, with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best food steamer from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Airmanson Glass Food Steamer for Cooking. The Airmanson Glass Food Steamer for Cooking is designed for healthy, oil-free meal preparation using high-quality materials such as heat-resistant borosilicate glass and food-grade 18 by 8 stainless steel, ensuring safe cooking without microplastics or chemical risks. Its transparent glass design lets you easily monitor the cooking process while preserving nutrients and natural flavors, delivering tender vegetables, juicy seafood, and perfectly cooked meats every time. Powered by a strong 1200W heating system, the steamer produces steam in just 5 seconds and reaches temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius, allowing most vegetables and seafood to cook within minutes for quick, effortless meals. The spacious 2-tier 8.5-quart capacity lets you steam multiple dishes simultaneously, and the removable divider provides extra height for larger foods like a whole chicken or lobster. A convenient 2QT external water tank allows easy refilling even during cooking and supports up to 90 minutes of continuous steaming. With simple preset controls, automatic keep warm mode, safety protection, dishwasher safe parts, and easy cleaning, this steamer offers reliable performance and user-friendly convenience for everyday cooking. Number 2. Joy-Deem Electric Food Steamer for Cooking. The Joy-Deem Food Steamer for Cooking is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed for healthy, convenient meals. With a large 15-liter 16QT capacity, 29-centimeter diameter, and 8 centimeters depth, it easily handles big portions, making it perfect for large families or preparing multiple dishes at once. The spacious stainless steel steam rack is even large enough to steam a whole fish. Powered by 1350W, it generates steam quickly and offers 3 adjustable power levels for flexible cooking, especially when using the hot pot menu. Its 2-tier design allows you to steam vegetables, seafood, meat, ribs, buns, dumplings, and more simultaneously. By removing the steam generator, the base transforms into a 3-liter electric pot, ideal for noodles, congee, shabu-shabu, or slow cooking. The 24-hour delay start and 2-hour keep warm function make meal planning effortless. Stainless steel construction is BPA-free and durable, while the clear lid lets you monitor. Number 3. Bear Electric Multifunctional Food Steamer. The Bear Electric Multifunctional Food Steamer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for both steaming and cooking, making it a practical tool for preparing a wide variety of meals at home. With its flexible single or double layer design, you can easily steam rice, ribs, vegetables, chicken, fish, and meat, while the bottom cooking pot can also be used for boiling simple ingredients like soups or broths. The steamer features 3 adjustable power levels, 400W, 800W, and 1200W, allowing you to control cooking intensity and keep food warm with temperature ranges from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It also includes a convenient 10-hour preset function and a 1-hour timer, letting you schedule meals in advance so your food is ready exactly when you need it. Built with durable stainless steel for safe food contact and easy cleaning, the steamer includes a transparent glass lid to monitor cooking progress and a smart drainage design that prevents water from dripping onto food. With anti-scald handles, heat-insulated construction, and dry burn protection with automatic standby, it offers safe, reliable, and convenient everyday cooking. Number 4. Bella 2-tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2-tier Food Steamer is a convenient and efficient kitchen appliance designed to make healthy meal preparation simple and stress-free. With a generous 7.4-quart capacity and 2 separate steaming containers, this steamer allows you to cook a full meal with sides at the same time, making it perfect for busy households and quick meal prep. The smart 2-tier design lets you steam vegetables, fish, dumplings, rice, eggs, or meats simultaneously, while keeping flavors separated for better results. A simple timer control makes
operation easy. Just set the time and let the steamer handle the rest. The built-in water reservoir viewing window helps you monitor water levels easily, while the integrated steaming guide chart removes the guesswork and helps deliver perfect results every time. Designed for convenience, the unit includes 2 steaming containers, a grain tray, and a lid, all dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. For added safety and reliability, the steamer features auto shutoff and boil dry protection along with a fast heating system that begins steaming in as little as 30 seconds. Number 5. Rosewell Electric Food Steamer. The Rosewell Electric Food Steamer is a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen appliance designed to simplify healthy cooking while saving time and space. Functioning as a steamer, baby food maker, rice cooker, and sterilizer, it offers a convenient solution for preparing a wide variety of meals for the whole family. With a large 9.5-quart BPA-free capacity and 3 stackable tiers, this steamer allows you to cook multiple foods simultaneously, such as rice, vegetables, meat, fish, and seafood, while preserving natural nutrients and vitamins. Its powerful 800W turbo steam system begins producing steam in just 40 seconds, delivering quick and efficient cooking for everyday meals or weekly meal prep. The stackable trays provide generous cooking space, yet store compactly on countertops, cabinets, or pantry shelves, making it perfect for any kitchen size. A simple 60-minute timer ensures precise cooking and automatically shuts off when time is complete or when the water tank runs empty for added safety. Designed for convenience, the removable steam baskets and food tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless after every use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.